Hello and thanks for watching. A thread patch repair of this style is good for all tubeless tires, but for highway use keep in mind that this is recommended as a temporary patch. Right, so there you go. Let's do her in real time. And that's it, you're done. Now a few steps to check the patch. Inflate, spray soapy water around the patch, trim off the excess thread. I hope that was helpful. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.